Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure FaceTime is enabled and iOS is current because software often fixes camera bugs. Once done, clean the lens and remove any case that blocks the sensor. Now force close both camera and FaceTime, swipe up or use the app switcher, then reopen FaceTime and test. If you still see a black screen, switch between front and back cameras to isolate whether it's hardware or app-related. This early triage saves time before deeper fixes. Next, focus on permissions and resets because many issues stem from access or corrupted settings. Toggle camera and microphone permissions for FaceTime under Settings Privacy, then test again. If that fails, reset relevant settings, start with Reset Network Settings, and consider Reset All Settings if necessary. These won't erase data, but will clear problematic configurations. Also run a camera-only test by recording a short 10 to 15-second clip. If video records, the hardware is likely fine. If not, you've narrowed down to a physical fault. For final resolution, apply advanced software fixes. Update iOS to the latest build first, because patches often resolve camera conflicts. If updating fails, back up your device and perform a restore from iCloud or Finder to eliminate deep software corruption. Once restored, retest FaceTime immediately. If the camera still fails or shows artifacts, the issue is probably hardware. Make sure you contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. As a key troubleshooting tip,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.